I'm going to take the mirror off now, and that looks much easier than I was expecting. In here is a piece of trim, and if you pull that back and look in there, you can see it's only held on with one nut. So we'll have that off. Disconnect the electrics, pull that little tag up, and I presume this just kind of pops apart. That's a two-handed job. To get this apart, this red bit pops up, and then you press that part there in really hard and pull it out, and then that's the socket that remains on the car. So I should be able to just pull that out of the way, undo the nut, and I think the whole thing's going to drop off. Well, that was dead easy. All it was that holding it on. Took that off, and that was nearly finger tight, and the whole thing just dropped off. That's it back on the car. What we've discovered is that this doesn't pop in, it's held in with double-sided tape, so we're just going to get some double-sided tape. There's a foam sponge in there, and it's back on. In fact, it kind of half wants to do it on its own. It's lost its sticky over the 19 years of its life. Where I've taken the door card on and off so many times, I've actually broke the mounting point, so I'm going to repair that with polymorph. And polymorph is this magic plastic which you put in hot water, dissolve, and then you can use it to make all sorts of things. A big glob of that, stick that in there, and then wind this into it. Screw it in so it tightens down onto it, like that. And I'm going to have to leave that for about 5 or 10 minutes for it to cool down. As it cools down, it goes white, and that's one I did about 4 years ago, and that's still holding out.